Show me the size of your saw. Okay. I'm videoing, dude. This is going straight to YouTube.
Super.
Is that a Leatherman?
Yep.
There's freaking be a promo for him. It's gonna work too, ain't it?
Oh yeah. I'm doing this.
We're stuck. Got a big tree across the road, across the trail. Say when. So when you get done, you gotta freaking do the little promo with Leatherman. Give them some props.
Use a little bigger blade, I think.
It's cutting though. Okay, give me the promo. Give me the Leatherman promo. Come on, show it.
Have at her.
Leatherman, come on, show it to me. Oh, buddy.